Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you a quick futures trade on Pionex. Let's get started. First, I open my account where you can see my balance is $87.20. From here, I tap on More and go to the Futures Trading tab. Now we can see a list of different crypto pairs. I'm selecting XRP/USDT. The chart pops up, and you can see my leverage has been temporarily set to 75x. I'll switch the chart view to 1 week, and then down to 1 day, so I can analyze the price better. Next, I scroll down to the trading interface where we have the buy and sell buttons. I'll tap on buy, and here I'm entering 5 USDT as my investment amount. Now, I'll adjust my leverage from 75x down to 60x. After that, I'm setting my take profit at plus 50% and my stop loss at minus 20%. Once that's done, the order is ready, a 60x long position with a 5 USDT investment. I confirm the market order, and as you can see, it's being executed. Now the position is live, and my dashboard shows the profit and loss updates in real time. I'll tap on details to check more information like leverage, amount, liquidation price, and the TP/SL levels I set. To manage the trade, I'll reduce the position by 10%. You can see how my P&L updates immediately. And that's it. The position details are updated and the trade is active. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tutorials.